Welcome back to Design Talk. I'm Jamie.
And I'm Alex. Today we're diving into a super fun topic: upcycling old furniture.
Yes, upcycling is such a great way to breathe new life into forgotten pieces,
Absolutely. It's not just eco friendly, it can also save you a ton of money.
right? So, Alex, what's your favorite upcycling project you've done?
Oh, definitely transforming an old dresser into a TV stand. I painted it a glossy navy blue and added some gold hardware.
That sounds gorgeous. I love a good color transformation. Any tips for beginners?
Start small, maybe a side table or a chair. You can even just change the upholstery.
Great advice. And don't forget to sand down the surfaces before painting. It makes a huge difference in the finish.
So true. And I always recommend using chalk paint for furniture. It's super forgiving and easy to work with.
That's a lifesaver. Now, what about life hacks? Any tricks you wish you knew sooner?
Yes, use a hairdryer to help remove old stickers or labels. It works like a charm.
Genius! And if you're dealing with scratches, a walnut can help fill them in. Just rub it over the scratch.
Wow, I didn't know that.
It's amazing what you can do with just a little creativity and some household items.
Definitely. And for those looking to sell their upcycled pieces, staging them in a nice setting can really boost appeal.
Yes, a well-styled photo can make all the difference on marketplace sites.
So, what's the challenge for our listeners this week?
I think they should pick one piece of furniture to upcycle and share their progress with us.
I love that idea. Tag us on social media with your projects.
Can't wait to see what everyone comes up with. Thanks for tuning in to Design Talk.
And until next time, happy upcycling.